Do you need to control access to your establishment based on your employees' health? Did you know that recent studies show that over 90% of people with COVID-19 are asymptomatic? Assigning an employee to scan the temperature in your building may be more of an occupational hazard and pose risks for others for the spread of COVID-19 and other contagious threats like the flu. One of the most effective defenses against the spread of COVID-19 is washing hands. The CDC says washing hands saves lives. Meet OneCare Safeguard Standard Kiosk, the only touchless, staffless kiosk that combines temperature checks, mandatory hand sanitizing, and optional face and mask recognition. OneCare Safeguard Standard Kiosk is an ADA-compliant device that performs a scan and presents a message for the user to proceed and wait for instruction. A green light indicates that your temperature is within normal range and you have used hand sanitizer. A red light indicates that you're above acceptable threshold or you have not sanitized your hands. In this case, the user is politely asked to await further instructions such as return at a later date, or call a phone number or initiate a conference call with HR, security, or nurse. Bottom line, if you don't perform the temperature check and the hand sanitizer, you can't proceed. OneCare Safeguard Standard Kiosk can be installed anywhere there's a need to keep people safe. In office buildings, retail centers, manufacturing settings, healthcare facilities, or entertainment areas in schools. This advancement kiosk can support communication through Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular, RFID, NFC, and Ethernet. OneCare Safeguard Standard Kiosk is more than a temperature reader or sanitizer. It is a scalable platform that can conduct touchless pre-screen surveys, recognize a voice with facial recognition, issue visitor badges with QR codes, and connect to a printer. Using APIs, it can integrate with Timecard, HR, VMS system, and access control system. Other optional features include a mask detection software. Robust facial recognition software can detect if someone is wearing a mask or not. Optional features include providing occupancy measurement in real time, keeping track of how many people are currently in a space. Access can be restricted to a specified number of occupants, and discounts, coupons, or other rewards can be offered to those waiting. Optional facial recognition can be integrated into your employee or guest recognition system, and visitor badges can be created on a self-service printer. OneCare Safeguard Standard Kiosk is a breakthrough technology that helps protect your employees, visitors, business partners, the entire community against health threats. This patented technology is the only product in the world that makes hand sanitizing mandatory, along with safe body temperature readings in order to access a facility. If you have a small enterprise or a large enterprise, we can help you manage everything with CenturyLink, a cloud-connected back-end management system. This system allows you to remotely manage things like facial recognition, database, trend reporting, employee versus visitor data, access control, and overall system health. With over 90% of people infected with COVID-19 not running a fever, current solutions that only take a temperature are an absolutely inadequate guess. And with thermo cameras being so inadequate and prone to environmental conditions, the best practices must include infrared thermometers and hand sanitizing at a minimum. Contact us for a demonstration. Sales at onecarediagnostics.com or call 707-361-3240.